Have you experienced your AT&T 5G connection dropping back to LTE unexpectedly? This video explains why this happened, what AT&T did to fix it, and the current state of 5G reliability. We'll cover the technical reasons behind the issue and how updates have improved the 5G experience. Early 5G deployments, particularly between 2021-2023, faced challenges, causing devices to revert to more stable LTE connections. The root cause of AT&T's 5G switching issues lies in how devices manage network handover between different frequency bands and LTE networks. 5G networks use three main frequency bands. Low band provides wide coverage but slower speeds, mid-band offers a balance, and high band delivers ultra-fast speeds over short distances. AT&T initially relied heavily on mid-band C-band spectrum for its 5G deployment. However, interference and signal instability in these bands often caused devices to automatically switch to LTE networks. This automatic switching is a standard fallback protocol designed to prioritize connectivity over speed. It engages when the 5G signal quality drops below a usable threshold, specifically when the signal-to-noise ratio falls below -10 decibels. This entire process is managed by built-in logic in smartphone radio hardware, which continuously monitors signal quality and makes automatic decisions to maintain connection stability. Several key technologies were involved in resolving the switching issue. NRDC, New Radio Dual Connectivity, allows devices to maintain simultaneous 5G and LTE connections for smoother transitions. BRS, Broadband Radio Service, refers to AT&T's mid-band spectrum allocation, critical for nationwide 5G. RAN, Radio Access Network, optimization involves using software to monitor and dynamically adjust cell site performance in real time. As of March 2026, AT&T reports significant improvements in their 5G network stability and coverage. Standalone 5G is now available in major cities, offering faster speeds up to 4 to 6 gigabits per second in ideal conditions and lower latency. However, some issues still persist in rural areas and during network congestion, where devices may fall back to LTE. AT&T's 5G evolution includes several important case studies that demonstrate the effectiveness of their network improvements. One major example is the 2022 iPhone connectivity overhaul. iPhone users across the United States, particularly in suburban areas, experienced frequent automatic switching from 5G back to LTE networks. These drops disrupted the high-speed connectivity that 5G promised. The handover process, shown here with animated arrows, would occur automatically when 5G signal quality fell below certain thresholds. This was especially problematic in areas with C-band interference or network congestion. AT&T responded with a free carrier update that optimized how iPhones handled 5G bands and reduced unnecessary switching. This fix resolved approximately 90% of the reported connectivity issues within just a few months, significantly improving the user experience. Another important case study occurred during the 2024 holiday shopping season, known as the 5G holiday surge. During peak usage periods like Black Friday, AT&T's network faced unprecedented demand in major metropolitan areas. Thanks to the earlier fixes and network optimizations, AT&T managed this peak usage much more effectively. Drop rates during the 2024 holiday surge were dramatically reduced compared to pre-2023 performance. Where users previously experienced a 25% drop rate during high-demand periods, the improved network maintained connections with only a 5% drop rate. Experts agree that AT&T's fixes have improved 5G reliability. OpenSignal data shows AT&T's 5G availability at 94%, up from 72% in 2022, with average speeds of 150 megabits per second. FCC data indicates a 70% decline in 5G-related complaints since 2023. AT&T's 5G subscriber growth hit 150 million by 2026, with 85% reporting no connectivity drops, according to their Q1 2026 earnings. Looking ahead, the future of AT&T's 5G network emphasizes continued optimization and expansion. AI and machine learning are increasingly used in network management to predict and prevent drops, enhancing overall reliability. AT&T aims for full 5G dominance by 2027, ensuring complete coverage and reliability across the network. The company is already planning 6G trials by 2030, preparing for next generation networks with even faster speeds and lower latency. While challenges remain, such as potential interference from neighboring cells, ongoing optimization addresses these issues. New smartphones feature enhanced 5G modems that rarely switch back to LTE, with battery saving modes prioritizing 5G stability. The fixes implemented for 5G auto switching are paving the way for more reliable future networks.